My name is Mark Jackson and I'm the Making Up Room Manager here at Pincroft. And in today's episode of Inside the Factory, we'll be looking at the functionality of our Testa inspection machines. This machine is a great piece of equipment that communicates with other machines in the finish area to anticipate faults in the fabric so we can provide customers with the best quality of products possible. While the fabric is being sanforized in the finishing area, the cameras in the sanforizer detect any defects on the product and sends the images to the review systems while it generates a cut plan for the inspection machine. The fabric then gets delivered to us on an A-frame. We thread the fabric through the machine, then attach the A-frame to the motor that drives the equipment. The cut plan provided by the sanforizer gets uploaded to the system. Then the tester is ready to start inspecting, cutting, rolling and wrapping automatically. While inspecting, the camera on the tester equipment will tag any faults already detected by the sanforizer and will cut the fabric to the specific cutting plan that has been provided by the finishing department to achieve the best yield possible. The tester inspection machine will cut samples of every roll automatically for shade testing and will wrap, seal and tag the final roll with the product details. The roll is then sent to our warehouse prior to dispatch. For more information about our processes and wide range of textile services, please visit our website. Thank you.